I've got a bunch of yarns from Temu and Michaels. Now, the yarns from Temu's are very cheap, a lot cheaper, almost like feels like half the price of what you would regularly see. But I also noticed that they come in a smaller roll. You can still save money from Temu, especially if it's free shipping and you don't need to pay tax. But like if you need a big roll of yarns, might just get it at Michael's. So these are from Temu, the fluffy ones. I got different colors. So these come in, these are like under $4 a roll. And I also got these different colors. Sometimes they'll have clearance that you can get. Like these are $4 for 2 packs. Some other bigger rolls of yarns, I got them from Michaels. Sometimes they have yarns on sale. So like the other day, I got these yarns that are on sale for $3 or $4, which is very cheap for yarns at Michaels. So I got a couple of them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. And then these fluffy yarns are like $5 in a big roll. So I got these two. Got some different colors. I'm highly against getting chunky yarns from Temu. So I got these chunky yarns at Temu, which is like $8. It's not enough for anything. I originally got these wanting to make a cat bed, but then I make this, whatever this is one roll, the entire roll of yarn. It's not even big enough for a chair cushion, so it's just a waste of money. So I wouldn't even buy these chunky yarns. You can still get some good deals on Temu, just be careful the size of it.